how to extract text from screenshots effortlessly. So let's get started. The snipping tool is a handy built-in tool on Windows that allows you to capture screenshots, and now with the new feature, simply extract text directly from those screenshots. Anything that you want. In my computer, you need to press Ctrl plus Shift plus S. Your device may vary accordingly. Once you've screenshotted, open the snipping tool, and at the above you can find the barcode sign. Simply tap on it, which indicates a text actions. You need to click on it and it will simply scan all the text that's there, and it's all there is to it. This is how you can extract text from the snipping tool. The snipping tool will automatically process the text from your screenshot. You can now view and edit the extracted text directly within the tool. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.